Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna go on to GTA Online. So you can get free money right now from PlayStation, and it's actually really easy. So you do get $1,000,000. The first thing that you have to do before anything, close GTA. And that's because a lot of people have problems if they have this open, they're just not gonna see those $1,000,000. So just close. So I'm gonna fully close this. Doesn't mean I'm deleting the game, I'm just fully closing it. Game's actually fully closed if you run another game. So if I went into Fortnite, this would automatically close anyways, just to give you a heads up. Anyways, what we have to do, usually I would tell you to go into PlayStation Plus, because if you are a member, then that's where you usually would go for these exclusives. However, in this case, we have to go into your store. And again, this is free as long as you guys have PlayStation Plus membership, which you obviously do if you're playing online with GTA. And right now we're going to go into search. We're going to type in GTA. Just hit done. And then from here, we're going to see this first thing. Second thing, we'll see exclusive. So this right here is your $1,000,000 that you get for free. Just click on it. We're going to open it up. Download it. If it says unavailable or some type of error message, don't worry about it. Open up GTA and you're going to see those $1,000,000 in there. And yes, this is for a limited time, so you guys can actually see my screen right now until when it's available, and then it's over. But luckily, PlayStation is doing this quite frequently, so most likely if you're watching this video, you're going to be able to claim it anyways, because it's a monthly thing. Anyways, for now, we're just going to close this up. We're going to run GTA, and we're going to take a look at that money. So again, I told you to just close GTA fully, and then once we restart it, we're gonna be good. We're gonna see those $1,000,000 in there. Alright, so right now I can check actually if the money's in my account. All I have to do is just go to my phone. I'm gonna go to internet, money and services. Although I already see my bank account. I have 3 million. I had 2 million before. So I can actually see that everything's good. That's on the top right hand corner of my screen. And that's how you guys can verify that everything's good. So you should be able to see that you have more money, or at least $1,000,000 more than before. But yes, if you go into your bank account, you should see that as well. So right now you should say account balance. It is in fact 3 million. I can actually see my transaction log. And right here, we're gonna see this. So here we go. There's my credit and there's my other credit. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.